Imagine waking up in the year 2030. The world around you looks familiar, but almost every industry has been transformed by artificial intelligence. Offices are quieter, factories run with minimal human workers, and intelligent systems perform tasks that once required years of experience. What seemed impossible only a few years ago has become reality. The biggest question is no longer whether AI will change our lives, but how deeply it will reshape our future. Across the globe, companies are adopting AI faster than anyone expected. Businesses are replacing repetitive tasks with intelligent machines that never get tired, never take breaks, and work around the clock. This shift is increasing productivity and reducing costs, but it is also forcing millions of workers to rethink their careers. Experts believe the future job market will reward people who develop skills that AI cannot easily replicate. Artificial intelligence is already capable of writing articles, creating artwork, editing videos, analyzing huge amounts of data, answering customer questions, and even assisting with complex decision making. As these systems continue to improve, many traditional careers may disappear. However, leading technology experts agree that some professions will remain valuable because they depend on qualities that machines still cannot truly understand. Number 5 on the list is skilled trades. Electricians, plumbers, mechanics, technicians, and construction professionals solve unique problems every single day. Their work requires physical precision, practical experience, and the ability to adapt to constantly changing environments. Although AI-powered robots may assist them in the future, replacing their knowledge and flexibility completely remains one of technology's greatest challenges. Number 4 is healthcare professionals. Doctors, nurses, surgeons, therapists, and emergency responders do much more than diagnose diseases or prescribe treatments. They comfort patients, build trust, understand emotions, and make life-saving decisions under pressure. AI can analyze medical records and detect patterns with incredible speed, but it cannot replace genuine human compassion, empathy, and ethical judgment when lives are at stake. Number 3 is AI specialists. As artificial intelligence becomes more powerful, the demand for professionals who can build, train, improve, and secure these systems will continue to rise. AI engineers, machine learning experts, data scientists, and cybersecurity specialists are shaping the technologies that will define the future. Instead of being replaced by AI, these experts will lead its development and create the innovations that drive tomorrow's economy, most successful businesses. And number 1 is creative thinkers. Writers, filmmakers, designers, musicians, inventors, and content creators possess something AI still cannot truly replicate: genuine imagination. Artificial intelligence can generate text, images, and videos in seconds, but it depends on patterns from existing data, original ideas, emotional storytelling, cultural understanding, and groundbreaking innovation continue to come from the human mind. The biggest mistake people can make is believing that AI is the enemy. History has shown that every major technological revolution created new opportunities for those willing to adapt. The real danger is refusing to learn. In the future, people who know how to work with artificial intelligence will have a significant advantage over those who ignore it. Learning AI today could become one of the smartest decisions you ever make. The future has already begun, and change is happening faster than ever before. Some jobs will disappear, many new careers will emerge, and the skills that matter most will continue to evolve. Success will belong to people who remain curious, keep learning, and embrace new technologies instead of fearing them. The question is no longer whether artificial intelligence will shape your future. The real question is, are you ready to shape your future with AI?